Looking to declutter your Twitter feed by disabling retweet notifications tailored for you? Let's walk through the steps to achieve this on your PC. Begin by opening Twitter and locating your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. In the left-hand column, find and click on the Web Notifications option to manage your notification preferences. Navigate to the Notification Types menu and select Preferences to customize your notification settings according to your preferences. Next, click on Push Notifications to adjust your real-time notification settings. Under the Retweets section, ensure to choose the box labeled Off to disable tailored retweet notifications on your Twitter account. To save your changes, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your Twitter notifications and enjoy a more personalized experience on your PC. Say goodbye to unwanted retweet notifications and curate your Twitter feed to suit your interests seamlessly.